Yo, what's up, you guys? Thanks for tuning in. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm actually just pulling up right now to the new Chemical Guys store in Torrance. They just moved from Gardena out to Torrance, maybe about 10-minute difference away from where they were. They have an off-road event today, actually, so I'm pretty excited. And I don't know if you can see, but got my sister in the back with her Jeep JL. And here we go. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a little bit of the show on here, and then I'm going to make a Instagram reel with a little bit more details and show you guys all these sick ass cars over here. Check it out. Alright, y'all, so that was a little hint of Chemical Guys, and then we stopped by at JDM Mafia. That's their new location. They just did a collab meet with Brekkie, and after that, dropping off the truck to get PPF. So that's paint protection film. Let me show you guys a little bit of something. They actually did my ceramic tinting on the whole truck. Let me tell you guys, it's once you guys look into tinting and you guys compare the pricing between ceramic and regular tint, ceramic is way worth it. I wasn't a believer until I got it, but it's worth it, trust me. So I don't know if you guys were able to tell in the previous videos, I did this, I believe, like the first week or so of having the truck. So ceramic all the way around, front, rear, all the way. You can see just a little bit of how it differentiates in shade, there to there. It actually makes things look very HD. I had one of my homies in the truck, and they're like, "Hey, it kind of looks like when you're wearing like HD shades." So it's worth it, honestly. Just to give you like a quick reference, like, you know when you're driving and then you feel the sun just beating on your hand and you just feel the sun just baking it? Yeah, you don't feel that with ceramic. Now, it's not going to be the coldest or the freshest, but you just don't feel the rays just giving you skin cancer, you know, just and that's exactly what this is for. This is meant to block all the UV rays, which causes skin cancer. So protect yourself, guys. It's worth it, honestly. Now, the homies that did the ceramic tint, like I said, are going to do the front paint protection film on the truck. Taking this thing out to Utah, so go ahead and keep an eye out for that video coming soon. And then in a couple of days, we're going to do a ceramic coating, so it's going to be coated all the way around. Oh, also got some Baja Design Squadrons on here. Bringing it back to the Baja Design Squadrons. There you go. I got the brackets from Colorado Canyon Enthusiasts. So if you guys are looking into these trucks or these brackets, Colorado Canyon Enthusiasts, they have a kit where you get half off the brackets once you get the Squadrons. That's pretty cool. I haven't wired them up. I would just test fitting them, see how they're going to look, see how the fitment was going to be with the hood. Super nice fitment. I'll show you guys from this side. Nice and clean. Hood opens just fine. The light doesn't touch anything, so it's awesome. I didn't make a video of the installation, but I did do like a little write-up on Colorado Fans forum. So if you guys want to check that out, I'll go ahead and see if I can send a link, put a link in the description. But these lights just look badass. I kind of want to get the little cover that goes right here, which says BD on here. Once again, you know the vibes. Drive safe, fool. Also, a question for viewers / owners of this truck, or just trucks in general. 100% want to do the liner. Anyone have recommendations on just Line-X, Rhino lining, just what you guys recommend? I have a few scratches already, which doesn't really matter because I am going to get a line, just not too sure who I'm going to go with. Part 2 to that question, tonneau covers. Ton of options, just different openings and stuff. So what do you guys recommend? I don't like the one that goes the backflip that will cover your windshield, and then I know they made a roll-up one which is still kind of bulky and just sits right there, but I don't know, want to get a few options. So if you guys have any recommendations, let me know down below. See what you guys think, what you guys have, if you guys like it or not, let me know. Alright, so I actually went in the wrong door. This is where they did the ceramic tint on my vehicle. Now they're gonna expand already in what, like 2 months already, by the way?
Yeah.
In 2 months. There it is. There you guys have it. Let me go ahead and show you guys a quick glimpse of what it looks like up close. This was already on the plotting machine, which Bespoke already had on deck. But look at these corners. Brand new truck. Perfect corners all the way around. Like I said, we did the mirror caps, hood, both front fenders, headlights, and front bumper. So it's completely covered. This is the full front end package. Yeah. Full front end package from Bespoke. There's a lot more packages that are available. We were just talking about the high impact or the wear impact you're talking about. Yeah. Say what's up. This is Angel, owner of Bespoke.
What's up, guys? Just got an Oldsmar brand new toy protected.
Thank you. Really appreciate it. Going back to the packages. There is a high impact wear and tear that he was talking about, from the rocker going down all the way over here. Obviously there's a complete package which you can wrap the entire truck. And there is a stealth, the stealth one that pretty much gives your OEM paint into a matte finish. So that one looks pretty sick, but that's a complete wrap that you can do. Just look how good that thing looks underneath those lights. Super glossy. This is also hydrophobic? Ceramic infuser, so that's pretty dope. But all the front end was touched. This part right here, this fenders, literally everything was done. Piano black accent right here. Bottom piece right here. Protect your investment, guys. This is really worth it. So I'm gonna go ahead and link down my boy Angel Bespoke. Link down below to their page, to their address, to the information. Hit them up. Like I said, they did the ceramic tint and now this whole front PPF. They have packages ranging from the tinting, 4 wraps, PPF, everything.
Ceramic coating, real powder coating, calipers, you know, the whole thing.
The whole shebang, yeah. If you guys actually want to go back to our videos, he did my BMW full satin wrap about 4 years ago almost.
Something like that,
yeah, and that was in his garage, which is crazy. And then look what he's built here, and top secret shop over there on that side.
It's all work in progress.
Work in progress, yeah.
This is stage 1. So
stage 1 in 2 months. So he's been doing this in the last 2 or 3 months, trying to move shops and stuff. So hit them up. We're gonna go ahead and hit the road. Thanks a lot, my boy. Really appreciate you. Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Thank you, bro. Thing looks amazing. Appreciate it. Now with some light, let me show you guys up close real quick how it is, how the PPF looks up close. It's a little dusty because we try to hit up Elephant Hill here in LA with wifey. It actually looks really good even up close. Let me see if I can show you guys. I mean, corners look really good. It is computer cut, so it's very precise. They ask you all the details of your vehicle because it's computer cut. And like I said, everything from this front valence, bumper, fenders, headlights. What's up, dude? Good brother's toys. This is Baxter. Mirror caps. Check it out. They make some space right there for the PPF. Check out the lines right here. Clean, crisp. Let me give you like a quick little reference of what this feels like. Have you guys ever seen the old school screen protectors from phones and stuff like that? It's very thick, so if you touch it, you can feel your nail like it feels rubbery. So it is self-healing. So if rocks start hitting the front with the sun, after a couple of minutes, it'll start just coming back up. Yeah, I want to say it's worth it. Obviously nothing has happened yet, but for the long run, once you're driving, all the bugs and stuff like that, it's a lot easier to wash. And like I said, Angel was saying that it is hydrophobic, so it already has like some ceramic coating style properties built into the wrap itself. So that's pretty awesome. Hit up Angel, like I said, from Bespoke Auto. If you guys have any questions, you guys want to get this quoted out, let them know I sent you. A few links down below. Go ahead and follow tomorrow's video because like I said, I got the wheels, tires, lift kit going on tomorrow. Yeah, thanks for following along, you guys. Go ahead and subscribe if you guys are down. Late.